TV5.
Earn now, pay later daw kapag nagtrabaho ka sa call center. Ang laki ng kikitain mo sa ngayon, pero pagbabayaran din ng iyong kalusugan kinalaunan. Ayon sa nilabas sa pag-aaral ng International Labor Organization o ILO noong 2010, pinakamataas daw ang stress level sa mga call centers dahil sa bigat ng mga trabaho at istriktong pamamalakad sa mga empleyado dito.
Kung talagang very stressful, nagkakaroon ng high blood. Kasi yung stress na ginagawa o nakikita sa mga stress na sakali, kailangan sagutin mo kaagad yan. Huwag kang magmumura. Kailangan kung binumura ka, hindi mo tatanggapin yung ano. Ang sasagot mo rin, mabuti pa rin. So stress sa tao yun eh.
Sanayan lang daw ang pagpupuyat kapag ikaw ay isang call center agent. Pilit na nilalabanan ni Karen ang antok at ang kagustuhan na itulog na lamang ang gabi. Sulit naman daw lahat ang kanyang sakripisyo.
Apart from a very competitive salary, ang benefit package namin takes into consideration and includes not just the employees, but their dependents. Hospitalization, may dental, may optical, meron din kaming funeral benefits, may accident insurance and life insurances. Kasi nauunawaan namin na importante na masustain yung health and well-being ng aming mga empleyado, especially since karamihan sa kanila nagtatrabaho sa gabi.
Bumalik ako sa kumpanya ni Karen para sumama sa mga bagong empleyadong magsasanay magsalita ng English. Mahigit 20 trainees ang aking nakasama upang masanay na sila sa oras ng trabaho bilang call center agent. Gabi rin ang itinaon ng training nila. Good luck na lang sa matitigas ang dila.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. All right. So, are you ready to start the day? Yes. All right.
To correctly pronounce capital cities and states.
All right. The abbreviation is? Metcalf. Wisconsin.
At sa training pa lang, kailangang kanong-kano na kami magsalita. Bawal dito ang Filipino English, Carabao English o Taglish.
This act changed the time change dates for daylight saving time in the US. Beginning in
Gaano katagal normally bago mag-adjust? Kasi what you're essentially doing is you're infusing a twang,
Right.
no, into their speech styles.
It really depends on the skill level ng bawat tao. Some people, they take well to criticism and feedback. A month.
Fish with the green pulled the fisherman in. Now they're fishing the freezer for fishes.
Pagkatapos pag-aralan ang kultura ni Uncle Sam, tongue twister naman ang sunod na pinagawa sa amin. Hiyari dito ang may mga speech defects.
professional.
Itong susunod na activity, exercise to. Sa P sounds naman. May kasasabihin ka, tongue twister. Pick a partner and practice passing. For if you pass proficiently, perhaps you'll play professionally. Dito, matetest yung kung gaano kalinaw ka mag-pronounce ng P sounds. No? Sunod-sunod na mga P.
So let's do it all together now. 3, 2, 1.
Pick a partner and practice passing. For if you pass proficiently, perhaps you'll play professionally.
One more time.
Pick a partner and practice passing. For if you pass proficiently, perhaps you'll play professionally.
Sarah?
Pick a partner and practice passing. For if you pass proficiently, perhaps you'll play professionally.
Thank you.
Kaya dyan. Pick a partner and practice passing. For if you pass proficiently, perhaps you'll play professionally. Ayos. Nakalusot ako. Pero Hindi pa rito natatapos ang tongue twister exercise. Siyempre, pahirap ng pahirap ang mga salitang kailangan naming bigkasin. Oo nga, Tol.
Theophilus Thizzle, the successful Thizzle sifter, successfully sifted some thistles.
Yep, ganun ka na. Pagkatapos ma-practice ang aking galing sa Ingles, oras na para i-apply ang aking natutunan. Oh my God.
Actual. So this is your station.
Ito na yung mismo. Kailangan daw ay matiwasay at mahinahon kami kahit mock call o kunyaring kliyente pa lang ang nasa kabilang linya ng telepono. Dito ko na mapapractice ang lahat ng pagsasanay na pinagdaanan ko kanina. Thank you for calling, ma'am. How may I help you? My name is Lourdes. Can I get your name, please, ma'am?
Oh, my name is Samantha.
Last name, ma'am?
My last name, that would be Smith.
Samantha Smith. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Your problem with your computer, ma'am?
Yeah, I don't know actually how to install it.
Hindi alam ng kausap ko kung paano i-assemble ang computer niya. Good luck sa akin kung paano ko tuturuan itong si Samantha Smith. Dahil basic lang din ang alam ko sa computer. Is it Celeron?
I'm sorry, but I can't find it.
Okay.
Can you go here? Can you do it for me?
Oh, okay. In that case, ma'am, I'll get your address. I will send a technician.
Can you do it now? I need it now.
Yes, Miss Smith. Yes, Smith. We'll very understand your situation and we'll be sending a technician over. Thank you for calling, Miss Smith.
Okay.
7 minutes, 46 seconds.
What was the issue?
She's not exactly very knowledgeable about computers. She couldn't find the power button. So, and she doesn't know where to plug it. So from the looks of it, I think the best solution is just to send a technician over.
So how would you send a technician?
Nagkaloko-loko na. Number 1 rule daw sa pagiging call center agent ay huwag magmarunong.
So you need to learn what are the things that you have control, what are the things that are not within your control.
Okay.
Don't make empty.
Okay.
So,
Okay, I thought we had a
learn
technician.
something.
Yeah. Base sa pagkakaintindi ko sa turo ni Miss Jubel, dapat ay masagot lahat ng katanungan ng mga tumatawag na kliyente. Pwedeng patawagin ang kausap sa mga mas nakakaalam para mas matulungan sila. O kaya naman gamitin ang computer sa harap para mahanap sa internet ang kasagutan. Next time tatawag kayo sa isang customer service representative agent, tandaan nyo, tol, hindi makina yung kausap nyo. Hindi pa man ako nakakahinga, may kasunod kaagad na tawag. Thank you for calling. How may I help you?
I'm expecting your technician to hook up my service today. I don't have my phone service. It's not working. Is this how you treat your customers?
And we're very sorry about that, ma'am. We'll rectify the error right away.
So I want to know what happened to your first technician.
Can I put you on hold, please, Mrs. Carter?
All right.
Medyo galit at masungit ang kausap ko sa kabilang linya. Ang mga gantong kliyente raw ang worst nightmare ng isang baguhang call center agent. Thank you for waiting, Ms. Carter. Last time we checked, the technician was on his way, but we don't really know what happened. So the best we can do is to send another technician as soon as possible. Hello? 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 Ms. Carter? Nataranta ako kung ano ang gagawin kahit kunyaring tawag lang ito. Mahirap pala talaga ang trabaho ng mga customer service representative. Normal lang na paulit-ulit kang humihingi ng paumanhin kahit wala ka namang ginagawang pagkakamali. Ang taray ng huling caller, tol.
Expectations ko, siguro mas nag-level up ako. I review my grammars.
Mas confident si Sheila ngayon. Kasi nag-beef up daw siya sa kanyang grammar. Although sabi niya kanina grammars, medyo delikado tayo dyan.
Don't go away, magbabalik ang Insider dito sa TV5.